Hi guys, today we're gonna make a quick, very healthy boiled egg sandwich. So that's made with boiled egg and mayo. So take 2 eggs, depending on how many you want to do. This would roughly make about 2. And then finally chop your eggs. Now we'll chop some cilantro. Now we'll get a bowl and mix everything into the bowl. So first goes all the eggs and the cilantro. So now we'll add some mayo. You can actually put white mayo and ketchup too, but then this is the one that I prefer. Add some chili flakes, depending on how spicy you want it. Add some black pepper. Add salt to taste. I like to use black salt, rock salt. I also like cumin powder, so you can add some or you can completely skip it. So this is just adding some cumin powder. Then we mix it all together. So our filling is ready, and now I'm gonna get 2 toasted breads. You can use any kind of bread. If you want to make it healthy, you can go for gluten-free or you could go for a whole wheat or sourdough. It goes well with any kind of a bread. So bringing in the bread, I have 2 toasted breads here, and then I'm just going to fill this up. And that's it. Just put the other one on top. Let's kind of cut it. And that's your breakfast sandwich or a snack sandwich ready. Super healthy, very low calorie and quick to make. Hope you have fun. Let me know how you like it.